Hey Scorpio, I'm going to be doing a general reading for you. This reading is for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that come out for you. I'm sorry, guys, I had to post this a while back, but I had some personal issues and I couldn't do the reading. So I'm really sorry. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. Scorpio, I feel many of you are feeling in your power again. Lately, you have been feeling as if, by the way, the card at the bottom of the deck is Three of Swords. So I was saying that lately you've been feeling as if um, you're not being given your due, as if you were treated in an unfair manner. But recently, I feel that you have um, gained that confidence, you've gained that authority in your life. You are feeling more in your power. You're feeling as if you can create what you want, as if you know what exactly it is that you're looking for and you're going and chasing it. If it hasn't happened as yet, then in the near future, you will be getting some kind of message or a phone call, um, or even you might just hear somebody like a mutual friend or a relative talk about somebody who was a part of your past, who was um, an important person in your life at one point in time, but then due to some reason, that connection ended and that person drifted away, you drifted away, but now they want to come back and they want to communicate. But beware, Scorpio, this person may not be, um, they may be dishonest to an extent. This could be a love relationship or somebody you had romantic feelings for, or somebody who had romantic feelings for you. But so I feel the third party situation that happened over here could be from either sides, either your side or theirs. This person could be an earth sign individual, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Whatever this connection was, when it ended, it made you feel worthless. It could be a Virgo that you were dealing with, or it pushed you to be isolated for some time. When this connection ended, it pushed you to isolate yourself for some time and make you question everything. You were even questioning your own existence. Yeah, it was as if all the happiness from your life was taken away for that brief period. But now, when you look back at that time, you take it as a learning, you take it as a lesson, you take it as a part of your karma, and that's what's helping you move on. Now, this connection, if it wasn't something that happened in the past, it could have, um, it may or may not have happened in the past with most of you. In case it hasn't, it will be happening in the near future, and then you'll be feeling this way. This whole cycle will happen where it may not end in the in a way that you wanted it to end. like in a positive way. But now that it has ended, you're finding yourself moving on from this and towards a more fulfilling life, Scorpio. Some of you may want to communicate with this person, but you are not sure of how they might react to you. I feel that this person, whoever it is, they are waiting on you to communicate with them, and I think you are waiting for them to communicate. Now let's see who can make the first move. In case you want a private reading, do contact me on Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot Instagram. We could look into these energies in more detail. Because this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate with all of you. So, yeah. Some of you may have got this communication around the 8th of October, or you will be getting this communication around the 18th of October or 17th of October. This person, whoever it was, they left you out in the cold. They made you feel as if you were a task. Loving you was one of the hardest things that they could do, which was very unfair, obviously, because it's not the case. You wanted this union, and at one point in time, even they did. But I think they fell weak because you're very strong, Scorpio. They could have fire signs, like they could be a Leo that you're dealing with, or another Scorpio that you're dealing with, or a Gemini person. But I feel there's a strong earth energy and Virgo to be precise. Yeah, Scorpio. They put you through a lot of pain, and now that you're coming out of it, you understand that there are better things in life to look at, and mm, it was you're taking it in your stride, Scorpio, which is a great thing. Yeah, they were juggling you with somebody. Probably they couldn't handle the work pressure that was put in them, or they were waiting for some kind of new job offer that they were working on, and that was causing a lot of stress. But the end of it all was they withdrew their feelings from you, making you feel unworthy. Yeah, they were concentrating on work, they were concentrating on their assets rather than on this union, even though they showed equal amount of um, excitement when it came to this relationship. They were the ones who withdrew, but I think they're coming back, and yeah, they'll be coming back very soon to communicate with you. Yeah, they are. But they're just looking for a reason to do so. Like, also, I feel they're scared of how you might react. But yes, they want to communicate with you. But for them, it's more like um how do I put it? So for them, it's like a struggle. They're they're always coming and going, like in their head as well. It's like, should I communicate with this person? Should I communicate with my Scorpio person? Should I not? Okay, let's do this. But then how would they react? Would it be unpleasant? If it's unpleasant, how would I react? You know, something of that sort. I'm getting 16th, 14th, or um 15th as very strong dates where they could be communicating, or where if you've been waiting for a communication for a job or for something important in your life, that will be coming in around these days, so you could mark these days. And let's just take out messages for you from my favorite deck. Scorpio, I feel that you have moved on, even though you keep revisiting those feelings time and again, because obviously you're in the process of healing. It won't happen in a day. You are good enough. A personal issue reaches resolution. You're very close to achieving your goal. The energy is gaining momentum. So you've got a full moon in Virgo, and you got the Hermit card as well. So I feel there is a lot of Virgo energy in your chart. You've got a full moon in Cancer as well, and you got the Chariot card. I feel you guys are moving on, or you were involved with a Cancer person, or you could have Cancer in your chart. You're very close to achieving your goal. It could be anything. You got the Seven of Pentacles, which is, maturing of bonds, getting some inheritance, getting a great job offer. You also got the Ace of Pentacles as a bottom card. The energy is gaining momentum. Whatever you have thought of or tried to manifest, it's becoming faster, and the manifestations are taking place faster than usual. Also, we will be entering Scorpio season on the 20th, and I think around that time, a lot of changes will happen in your life, and those changes will be fruitful, and they will be something that you were looking forward to. Scorpio, I hope this reading helped, and I hope you're fine, and I hope you're taking good care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, Scorpio. Bye.